Life happens and sometimes we need $50 but don't have it. So, whether you need to pay for gas or just put food on the table, you might want to think about a $50 loan quick app. Instant loan apps are better than payday loans because you can get the money you need almost right away, and many of them don't charge interest or have secret fees. Instant loan apps help people get by until they get paid again. Cash advance apps could help if you have a sudden problem and don't have the money to pay for it. Most cash advances are short-term, but most people don't mind that with a $50 loan quick app. Some of the best quick money apps not only give you a loan to cover you until your next paycheck, but also let you get your money early. In other words, they work with your boss to keep track of your earnings and get them to you before payday. Most apps that give you quick cash ask you to pay back the loan when you get your next paycheck. Think of them as cash advances without the high fees. But this doesn't mean that an app that lets you borrow money won't charge fees. Always read the small print to find out how much a cash loan will cost. I've listed the fees for the most popular money loan apps below, but you should always check to make sure there aren't any hidden costs. Number 1. Albert. Albert can be a great option as a payday lender if you need money now. They don't believe in overdraft fees, so they offer an instant cash advance of up to $250 to protect you. In addition, they don't charge interest or late fees. There's also no credit check to qualify. You must link your bank account and they'll send the funds directly to it. You get the cash for free if you wait 2 to 3 business days, or if you need money fast, you can pay for an instant transfer. It's only a small fee and you should receive the funds in a few hours. You pay this no credit check payday loan back on your next payday and pay nothing for accessing your funds early. Amount up to $250. Fee $0. Interest rate 0%. Waiting period immediate for a small fee or free within 2 to 3 days. No credit check. Number 2. Chime Spotman. Chime is a fintech app that offers a spend account or checking account. You don't need a certain balance and there aren't any fees. If you open a spend account, you'll also have access to Spotman, Chime's instant money loan. To be eligible, you need at least one direct deposit of $200. Then you'll complete an application and the information will be used to determine if you qualify. They don't do a credit check, but they use other resources to determine if you qualify. The Spotman service has no fees, but is only available to those with a Chime checking account. If you overdraft your account, Chime will spot you the cash. At first, the cash advances are limited to $20. Chime may increase your limits based on your spending habits, bank account history, and other factors. Loan amount $20 to $200. Fee $0. Interest rate 0%. Waiting period immediate. No credit check. Number 3. Earnin. Earnin believes you shouldn't have to wait to receive your earned funds, so they help you get cash quickly by accessing your earned funds early with an instant loan. With Earnin, you can get up to $100 a day and $500 in a pay period advanced to you, and it's an interest-free cash advance. Their standard transfer time on their instant loan is 1 to 3 business days, which is worth waiting for because there's no fee. However, if you need an instant transfer or lightning speed transfer, as they call it, it costs $2.99 per transfer. To qualify, you must link your bank account, and Earnin will automatically withdraw the funds you owe from your next paycheck. To use this quick cash app, you must be employed and receive a direct deposit in your existing checking account. However, the app is completely free if you can time it right and request your funds at least 3 days before you need them. Loan amount $100 to $500. Fee $0. Interest rate 0%. Waiting period 1 to 3 days. No credit check. Number 4. Payday Say. Payday Say isn't your traditional instant cash advance app because it's a marketplace or facilitator between you and the lender. They work with various lenders, which may increase your chances of approval, but it may also take more effort to get instant money. Payday Say offers fast money loans for small loan amounts, but some lenders lend up to $5,000. The more money you borrow, the more documentation the lender will need to approve you for the loan. Payday Say doesn't charge monthly or transaction fees. However, the lender you're matched with might, so always ask before accepting a loan. Because Payday Say works with many payday loans and lenders, it's important to read the fine print. The cost of the loans can be much higher than some of the traditional instant cash apps. Most lenders require you to pay the loan back by your next paycheck, but they don't automatically withdraw the funds like many of the best money loaning apps on this list. Like any loan, you'll pay interest and penalties if you don't make your payment on time. Amount: $100 to $1,000. Fee: $0. Interest rate varies by lender. Waiting period: 1 to 2 days, varies by lender. Credit check: yes. Number 5. PayActive. PayActive is an app that your employer must sign up for and offer as a benefit. If your employer offers the benefit, you can access earned money now. Because the app is linked to your employer, it tracks your hours worked and allows you to access the lesser of 50% of your earnings, or $500, unless you have a direct deposit set up, which allows you to access up to $1,000. The funds are always available in the Instant Cash Advance app. You can leave it unused or transfer it to your bank account, debit card, or PayActive Visa card. PayActive automatically deducts the funds from your next direct deposit. It's a free service if you have set up the direct deposit of your paycheck to your PayActive card. If not, you'll pay $1 for each transaction with a $5 maximum fee in each pay period. Since PayActive isn't an instant money loan, they are accessing your already earned funds. There aren't any interest charges. Amount: up to $500. Fee: free or $1 per transaction if you don't have a direct deposit. Interest rate: 0%. Waiting period: 1 to 3 days. No credit check. A $50 loan instant app doesn't have to put you through the ringer to get approved. It's not like you're buying a car or house with the funds, but each app has different ways of approving you for the loan. Most instant loan apps look at your banking history, especially your deposits and your account history with the Instant Loan app if this isn't your first time using it. Most apps don't do credit checks, so they rely on your bank account history to determine if you can afford to pay the loan back.